Hi there, welcome to Fun with Folding, where I show you how to make awesome paper planes easy. You may have seen my previous video where I showed you how to make an easy dart-like paper plane. This was the first plane I learned to make when I was young. While throwing it, I noticed and realized that with such a point, the paper plane will get hurt easily, and when a paper plane is damaged in a way, it loses its aerodynamics and so its ability to fly well. And so with an easy twist I made an upgrade from the previous plane. This one does not get damaged so fast. So let's start. For this paper plane I used general A4 paper. It requires no tape or anything other than just a sheet of paper. We start by folding the paper in half. And when you're done, turn the paper to the other side. Then fold it just like the previous plane to the crease in the middle. And do the same thing to the other side. You may take some time to make sure both sides are folded the same. And then again, fold it to the crease in the center. And do the same thing to the other side. Till now we made the same steps as the previous airplane. To remove the fragile point, we fold this up where the lines from the previous fold meet. In this part the paper is a bit thick, so it takes a little more effort to make a fold right here. And now we turn the paper again and make sure it is folded quite well. And check if the fold does not stick out that much. Now to make the wings of the airplane, you can do it the same way as the dart airplane in the previous video, but it's easier to fold it like this. Fold the top edge to the bottom edge. Make sure it's symmetrical. And now of course repeat this for the other side as well. Like I just mentioned, in every paper airplane it is the same. Make sure the folds are symmetrical to make sure it flies very well. Now here you can see the difference with the previous airplane. The top is gone. And in flying it doesn't really make a difference. It flies really well. So let's take a look at how this plane, the yellow one, flies. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy making and flying this paper airplane. If you do, don't forget to like the video and subscribe and hit the bell to get notified for the next video. Thanks for watching.